Time now for an exciting game we call Top That Trade as two traders go toe-to-toe. Joining us today is Phil Flynn, a Fox Business Network contributor, and Alan Nuckman, an options training pro. Here we go, guys, with round number one. Surge strategy. S&P 5 stocks are up 6% in a month. Now that is 25% off the February lows. What do you do? Pick a play to profit after this upside action.
Well, it's hard to be bullish after this big bounce that we've seen in the marketplace, but there's still opportunity in the upside. And you know me, I'm optimistic, so it's hard. You've got to be very patient and very selective, but there's still pockets. Still pockets. I am bullish, but to buy now, the risk reward is not in your favor. I like EWG, which is the German ETF, their stock market. They're down 9%, whereas we're up 8 or 9% in the S&P. So look for that to play catch up, because if you look for the last couple of years, they move very much in tandem. So I like that market. It's trading at 25, and a breakout target's 31, which is 20% higher.
I think when you're bullish in this market and the hot stocks have gone away from you, look for the cool stocks, the stocks that really haven't been
cold
moving.
stocks.
The cold stocks, cool or cold, but they're all been hot. Let's face it, the stock market's done pretty well. Take a look at Coca-Cola, right? An old but a favorite. It's been beaten up right now because
it's around 40, just stuck at 40. What's the downside?
You don't have a lot, and I think there's a lot of upside here because I think they're overplaying it. It plays a good dividend. What about Ford, for heaven's sakes?
Well, Ford just had a big bounce.
Well,
but before that, it still has a lot more upside.
But I still like the dividend.
Round number two, fat pound. Another reason to be upset with the British pound currency performance is that animal fat has been added to paper bills to lessen the static. What currency is your choice to bite on now?
The worst may be over, but you know what I do like?
No, don't tell me because it's my turn.
It's a tallow play. It's a tallow. Well, there's animal tallow. There's beef tallow in the paper. I've got a beef tallow play.
Is that why our exports of cattle went up 68% because we're sending it to Britain, the UK, so they can put it in their currency?
So they can make paper?
You know what? When I like Canadian dollar,
there you go.
Canadian dollar. First of all, they don't put any meat. No animals were harmed in the production of the Canadian dollar. That's number one.
The loonie.
And number two.
Loonies get harmed.
The loonies do get harmed.
How do you think they smash them into those coins?
How many loonies did they kill to make one currency? I do not know the answer to that question. But the Canadian dollar is going to do good. Thanks from our friends at OPEC, that big production company.
Boom!
It's getting oil going. Canadian dollar.
Boom goes the dynamite. Oil. Straight up.
Go.
We said $50 oil. We did say that. Play the tape. Go back.
Play the tape.
Go back. The play I like is MCD McDonald's. They had a beef tallow controversy a few years ago when they used to put it in their fries, and people got very upset. So, this is another example. I'd like McDonald's to make another move up to 130. Right. That's a Dow stock that has stalled just like your Coca-Cola.
So you're basically saying PETA would not buy or take a British pound. You would prefer a Canadian dollar.
Right. They're throwing it out. They're throwing it out the window.
Fair animals. Okay, good. Thank you. We're saving animals today.
Here we go with round number three, cold cash. Starbucks is raising prices on cold drinks. Will this make the stock hot again?
This is sneaky. Totally sneaky.
Who's buying cold drinks in the middle of winter?
That's it. That's what I'm saying. It's sneaky. I mean, Starbucks is slipping this one in. All of a sudden, next summer, when it gets hot, you're going to want that ice drink.
20 cents per drink. Multiply it by how many Starbucks do you have a day?
A
couple thousand.
Well, I mean, so
before
noon.
Yes.
Before noon.
All right, but the Starbucks stock has finally started to play ball. It made lows November the 4th.
Wow.
So what do you think Donald Trump had to do with Starbucks?
I think everybody's drinking a lot more coffee. So it's to watch these results.
It's bounced from
the
50
results.
50 to 58, so it's already up about 15%. But looking at it technically, 66 is the target, new all-time highs. This is a stock that's moved up 180% in the last 5 years, but it's pulled back, so there's still more upside. And you know better than I, coffee prices are moving lower.
They are moving lower right now.
So that helps profit margins.
It is, but they're coming down from a high level, and they do very, very well. But, Starbucks is very good at hedging their coffee prices. So, the day-to-day price fluctuations don't work for coffee. And Starbucks has to redeem itself. It's had a few issues. First of all, with their rewards programs, they angered a lot of their consumers. Now they're raising prices on cold drinks in the middle of winter so nobody notices.
If you're a rewards customer,
I want transparency, Starbucks. Please let everybody know what you're doing.
Rewards customers like you that drink 5 coffees a day to get the rewards are angry in general because of the caffeine. It has nothing to do with Starbucks.
Alan, I'm only 5 drinks away from owning a franchise. That's how my rewards program is doing. I'm right there.
I can tell already.
I can quit anytime I want. Just ask me.
Drinks are on Phil. Time now for your bonus round question. The Nike Hyper Adapt shoe. This is that self-tying laces shoe went on sale this week. It's on sale.
Yeah, I saw that.
What is
I
the
heard
price
about
tag
that.
on this
That was
shoe?
from the movie. This is from Back to the Future. They had
That's
this,
true.
and now they have it.
It laces up itself.
It laces itself, which is good for you because I won't
Right.
have to tie your shoes anymore.
Right. Well, I have those. I do 2 separate big loops, and then I cross them together like that.
You make the bunny ears, and then you make the bunnies, and then you pull. I have to keep reminding him. But basically, I would say $325 a pair.
For a shoe.
Is that your
for
your guess
shoes.
on the price
You know,
tag?
And
What do
the
you-
Air,
what do you
yeah,
think the price is
325
on
is
it?
my guess, and it's the Air Jordan. The Air Jordan version would be $600, but there's no Air Jordan version yet.
Alan?
325-ish.
$199. I like the $199 as a number.
$199.99.
Okay.
$199.99.
Hold on to your hats, Cowboys. The answer is $720.
Holy smoke! Oh, that was the Michael Jordan version. Yes, that's
It's
right.
a
I
mini
said
mortgage
That was closer, right?
to own those shoes. Think
Wow.
about that.
Is that per shoe?
I'm
or-
dumbfounded.
You see, I was doing it
I'm
per
dumbfounded.
shoe, so,
So-
it's actually right. 300 and 300.
So I
if
would
I
say-
added the two together, it would have been
As an
$700.
economic- as
I
an
was doing it
economic-
per
It
shoe,
was
so I was
Economic
right.
Air, it was
indicator,
not per
I would
shoe.
say that the economy's doing okay.
That's good
Right.
thinking,
If
though.
people are buying $700 shoes that tie themselves,
They were buying Air Jordans for $700 that are 20 years old. I don't get
well,
it. but
good to
people
know you
do.
guys have soul. Business First AM continues after this.
so